Look at that, Maya.
Easter, I'll hold the bowl, okay?
Oh, very good.
Good job. So I was like, yeah, we're not going there.
That's a nice color, huh, Maya?
Sort of thing.
Oh, if you want to take it,
Good job, Maya. Good job. Gonna be a baker like your daddy, huh? I'm so careful, Maya. You're doing such a good job.
She is. Look how she
Yeah.
places them so nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Do they taste good too?
Uh-huh. What else are you gonna decorate it with? You gonna put the stars and the umbrellas on too? Ooh, cool. That'll be nice. Hey, Mayita, look at you. Oh, hey, sweetie pie. You got a nice horse there, don't you? Look at the rabbits. How cute, huh? They're soft, huh? Oh, that one's beautiful, huh? No wonder it won all the prizes. Oh, cute. I think they're all eating just fine, Maya. Look at that. Whoa, Maya, how fun, huh?
Yeah, it's comfy, but it's hard. I have to go down.
Okay.
You guys are great.
Yeah, especially her. Jump
Woohoo! Okay, this is last time, sweetie pie. Jump like he says. Jump. Watch him do it. You gonna do that, Maya? Go ahead. No. Okay. Okay, tell the guy thanks. Boy, she knows which one she wants, huh? Oh boy. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, right here. Go put your feet in the water so they don't get hot, huh?
Do you have any questions?
Second, I want to watch your daddy figure out what to do. He's in the no wake zone right now. Okay. I don't know if that's Danielle or not. He's by himself. Yeah, I think that is Danielle. Maybe. Anyway. Here we are. This is where they rent them. He went on one of these little ones like this. These are cheaper. These are the more expensive ones. They can ride 3 people, I guess. Because I'm letting your daddy do it. He's never done it before. You can do it, sweetie. That's Danielle. He should be coming in now. No, I don't think that's him.
Can I see?
Is that him? No, this person's spinning around. ¿Y alarma qué pasó? Oh, pero no estabas fijando en la hora? There's the dad taking the kids out. How fun! It would have been fun to go out with Danielle, but. Yeah, bring it up here. Yeah, we saw that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, don't touch it, sweetie. It's gross. Yeah. You did go in the weeds.
Do you want to try?
Are you scared? No, I'm not, but I don't want to try it.
What do you think, Mama? Maya, is there Mama Chicken? Is she a chicken? Are you going to feed the cow or just stand there teasing it? Hmm? There you go. Aww. Uh-huh. Look at the poor cow. Maya, give it to him.
See if he likes that. No, he doesn't.
There, you finally gave it some. Wow. Okay, sweetie. Maya, you gonna eat your cereal? Eat cereal? Let's see, your daddy's asleep over there. Right by the cows. Okay, okay, I'm coming. I'll show you the animal petting zoo, okay? This place is a zoo with all these people all packed in here. There's like way over 1,000 people here. And I figured they make $15,000 to $25,000 a night just in camping fees, not all the other stuff they make money off of. Business.
Oh, it's taking a leak, nasty.
They're pretty excited, huh, about all these kids feeding them, weren't they?
These guys want. Excuse me.
Man, that guy's big.
I know. They say in 5 months, all the little ones like 250 pounds. Look at that.
This guy got his head stuck trying to get food. It's not supposed to stick its head through there. There it goes. It's supposed to eat out of the bottom.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, who said that?
Go ahead. There you go. They're pretty clean. They're clean as that.
Here, can I have some, please?
Watch it, baby. Okay. Put you. Yes. There you go.
Ma, you want to give him some food?
Man, they lick fast.
He'll give you some if you want it.
You want some? Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. You want some too? Okay.
Maya, ¿quieres entrar?
Santi. Buenos días. ¿Qué pasó? Chencho.
Maya, go ahead if you want to go in.
Muy sucio, ¿no? La Ana está teniendo problemas en los baños, allá abajo está Flores. Le echan una manita ahí. Voy a hablar con el Patricio. Corre, mijo, corre.
Maya, ¿no quieres entrar? Maya, ¿no quieres? ¿No quieres entrar?
Come on. Drive it.
Let's see how cooperative these goats are.
Come on. Hold it. Come on.
She's tried to drink it before.
Oh, the baby's drinking. Aw. Do you see the baby? Where's Maya? Maya, you see the baby's drinking too? Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a nice full cup. We're gonna drink that goat's milk. Yummy.
Look how much. Can you imagine how much is actually in there?
Oh,
You felt
it's
super.
yeah. It's as fresh as it gets, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because I think it has to be sterilized.
If the goats are healthy, it's not a problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, this is the happy goats that you can see.
Yeah. I mean, look what they're eating. They're eating such good food. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This
Oh,
is
yeah, not
Isn't
the
that
best.
great?
The
Yeah.
best is so good.
Maita, ¿te gusta?
This is good. You like it?
Nosotros estamos vendiendo la vaca al otro lado y
Oh, really?
Yeah, you go get a cup, he'll fill it for you.
esos, ¿eres cómo traen la boca? Chocolate.
Ya tomaste tu leche. Is that what you're worried about, Maya? It comes off.
Get a hose and hose it down.
Cuidado, cuidado. Maya, did you want to touch the goats or just swing the stick in there, huh?
Hey, bro, stop. Hey, let's go, Crystal. It's friendly. They don't do nothing to you. You can go past. That's rough. Good, good. That one, very friendly. Dan,
And there's Danielle. Probably cooking in the sun now. Let's go see if he's roasted.
I have to get a pig at home. It's cool. Not the pig. Okay, now it's your turn. It's your turn. Ew! Daddy, I have pig poop. It just flew right on my hand. From the pig cage.
No, it's for the chickens, sweetie. They're the ones that eat that.
And I'm hungry, aren't you? You're pretty hungry, aren't you?
Go ahead. It might move a little because it's just chained. All right, you go over there. Yeah. There you go, you got it. Here we are, KOA campground, Petaluma. This is where everybody from the Bay Area wants to go, I guess, to spend a little holiday. And there, Danielle finally got up. Where's mine? Oh, there she is. The hot tub.